Hey guys, it's me, Boss Guy 25DD here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a series, Terraria modded edition. So the mods we have are Thorium mod and Calamity mod. So just to make it a bit easier, I gave myself the Flight Wings and the Hermes boots. That's all I'm gonna give myself. So right now we're gonna build some cool stuff. Royal wood I don't really want, so I'm gonna build a house over here. Sorry for my voice, it's a bit raspy today. Okay, so yeah, I guess I could just keep it for like just because I don't like building houses in the ice biomes. It's kind of annoying. Whenever I make world, I always spawn in the ice biome. I don't like that. So I also give myself an iron rod, so that's it. I'm trying to see because I played modded Terraria forever, so I don't know much. I just realized I have flight wings. Okay, guys, if you guys enjoy Terraria mods, just comment and say I really like them. You should do more videos on them if you really like them. But only if you really like them. I'm not asking for anything. It's your own decision. Okay. Last tree. I think will be good. For when does this not become the snow biome? Because this doesn't look like snow to me. Right here. Okay. So let's level this out a bit. Just want to make it small little hut. Actually, guys, I'll just do like a few things off camera. Then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I was just playing a little bit, making this house. Because I didn't want to bore you guys out of watching me play. So yeah, I built this little house, and down here I'm going to make a mine. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Because it would really be appreciated if you did. And yeah. Okay, guys, I will be back when I've mined. Okay, guys, I am back. I was just down mining for a little while. I got this harmonica, and I found this. That's really it. Yeah, see, look, I didn't go that far. Let's got some chests. I think I'm gonna build my house up this way. Let's go get some wood. I want to see what this is. As far as I can go. Well, yeah, guys, if you do enjoy this type of content, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're going to be doing videos like this a lot with Eon Cat Gaming, but right now he's not here, so I'm doing an episode on my own. And then he'll eventually be in the series. This sand slime is powerful! Probably because I'm sucking. Yoink. Ow. I think I need like one more riffraff shard, I'm pretty sure they're called. What are these things they're called? Let me show you. To get a piece of armor. I think I'll take a helmet. This is a slow harmonica too, and it just plows. I was getting attacked by a black recluse. There's like one because there's a spider biome nearby, I guess. Not black recluse, a brown thingy. Those spiders, ball creepers, I'm pretty sure they're called. But I fought a few of them, and I got something. I don't know what I got. I just got some. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have one gold. Yeah, let's I need to get a bit more. What am I doing? I came to mine some stuff. We're gonna get as much sand as we can. Eon Cat Gaming, he's like, I don't know. I don't know where he's been lately. I think that should be enough wood. We're gonna make a second one. This is kind of stupid to swore, but we'll make it work. I watched Dragon Ball Z, and I was watching this episode, and it was like, it was like, I don't know, I haven't watched Dragon Ball Z in a while, and, it was like, this episode where, like, I'm pretty sure it was like Insane Saga, and, like, Goku was dead. So they were like they were waiting to bring him back, and like yeah, so they like died, and then like Chi-Chi got a tutor for Gohan, and that tutor like whipped Gohan. I remember that. I was like, you dumb. Why would you whip a child? I will call the police on you. That's what I was thinking. I would never do that. No, like, that's illegal, but I guess it's not illegal in, in Dragon Ball Z, I guess it's not. Okay. Okay, what's up? Oh geez, let me close the door. I can't close the door! Okay, I think that was the guide's fault. I'm not sure. Stupid guide. Okay. This is going good so far. We're gonna put 2 rooms in here. We're gonna split them off. There we go. It's like, I forget his tutor's name or something. Gohan's tutor. Pretty sure it was like, Mr. like, Mr. Shoe or something. I've watched that many times, it's just, like, I forgot it. But, yeah. Ow. Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna make some 2 tables, 2 chairs, a door where the doors of the door. And we're just gonna make a few more. That's more than enough. This is going to be the second floor, where 2 NPCs will thrive. I don't care what it looks like. This is just a house. It's just a small house. Let's see if... Yes, 2 more suitable houses. Yay, I've done it, guys. Yeah, this moniker has done wonders for me. This is kind of good. This whistle is okay. But this is good. Oh, what a whistle. This is a slow harmonica. Which means sour. It should be way better than it's slow, so. Yeah, that's cool. I don't like things. My beard isn't red. Throwing damage increased by 2. That's not very good. What does this do? Storm Lion Mandible. Storm Surge. That is all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!